Hello everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to be your instructor for Business Math this semester. I'm really excited to get to work with you, and I wanted to make a short video to kind of introduce you to the course and also introduce you to myself. So here we go. So everything starts in Canvas. So we're going to click on our Canvas course, and I'm going to go over a few things with you from within Canvas. The first place we're going to land is we're going to land on our home page. And on that home page, you can see a little bit about the course. You can see a little bit about me. This video will be posted on this page at some point. And you can also see the recent announcements. Announcements are one thing that I do a lot of. That's my primary mode of communication with you. So make sure that you have announcements coming through your email, or that you have Canvas up to notify your email when you get an announcement, because that'll make it easy for you so you get all of them. And I'll give them to you quite a bit. So with that being said, you can see here's our first one. It's a welcome. You got it on the 20th. So let's go into announcements again. And this is where they'll live. If you want to go into Canvas and look at your announcements, you can click on announcements and it'll load. And I don't know if I have any in there besides the intro one, but let's look. Okay, yeah, so there's a week one. You'll get this tomorrow. And you'll also get this intro video probably tomorrow as well. But anyway, this is the kind of the pattern, and I'll post quite a few modules or quite a few videos, and I'm sorry, quite a few announcements in this course. So next place I want you to go is syllabus, and this takes a minute to load. So your syllabus, you can click on here under syllabus, and it'll open a window up. You can also download it as well and print it off, but you need to make sure you read the syllabus. So here's our syllabus. Here's my contact information. You can call me or email me. If you email me, that's probably about the best way to do it. I'll get back to you pretty quick. You can read about the course objectives and how this class will be structured. You can download it here until we can print it. We'll close that. Next place is your course guide. This is where you're going to see when the due dates are. And again, you can download this one as well and print it off and have it in your notebook. That you'll see here, here's Module 1 is due on September the 4th. Module 2 is due on September 18th. Now, you have about 2 weeks to do each module, but please don't wait 2 weeks to get started. There's a lot to do in here. Like, for example, in Module 1, you'll have a discussion board, intro. Then you'll have an actual Module 1 discussion board. Then you have an assignment, you have a book assignment, you have a quiz, and then a journal. That's kind of the way the pattern flows for all of our classes. We'll dig into this a little bit more in a minute. So after we go to syllabus, the next place I want you to go is to modules. And if you've taken a course in Canvas before, the modules help you to be able to do your work. So you start it here, and then here's Module 1. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look at the overview. And the overview kind of tells you about the module. So if you click on that, it will then tell you kind of about the module, what to expect. Like so, there's a to-do list, so make sure I always start out by reading the chapter, then review the chapter PowerPoints, do your intro board, do your discussion board. Now, with discussions, I would like you to have your initial post done the first week by Wednesday, and begin your follow-up post that next Sunday. And that's in the discussion, so that's best practice. So, in the initial post on Wednesday of week 1. And follow-up posts are done by Sunday. That way you have the whole next week to get caught up and do more posts if you need to. Then you click next. Then you go to the next page. Here's your PowerPoints. Make sure you download those and look at those. There's some videos you can watch as well. Here's your discussion board, and notice initial post. This is what you'll do in initial post. And I expect you to usually comment on 2 to 3 of your classmates' posts. So you'll do your initial post by Wednesday, follow-up post by Sunday. If you keep moving through this module, here's your first discussion. And then your first reflection. And you can see this is going to be kind of the way all of your modules are going to work. Here's your first assignment, internet assignment. Tells you when it's due, September the 4th. But again, don't wait. Get to work on it early. And here's your book assignment. A couple of problems that you'll do out of the book. Then once you get that done, you can go on to your quiz. To take your quiz. And I believe you can do that unlimited times. You should be able to do it till you get it all right. At that point, it'll take you to Module 2. So, this is everything about the class that I know so far. If you need help, give me a holler. My phone number and my email address is on the syllabus. You're better off emailing me. I'll get back to you pretty quick on that. So, again, this is Ryan. I'm excited to work with you. If you need help, let me know. Bye.